semifinals match between Molo District and La Paz District. First quarter. Rebound by Deliena to Makalalag. No good. Cuervo. Marvin. Ilalim. There's a foul. First throw, no good. Last throw, 0 out of 2 by number 23. Jumper basket by Sampiano. Richie Galvez. Pinasa kay Eribal. Back to Galvez. Eribal for 3. No good. Cuervo. Wala pa rin. Wala. Gapon. Sampiano, fast break and basket by Sampiano. 4-0 in favor of Molo. Eribal. Pass to Galvez. To Cuervo. Basket and 1. 3-point play by Marvin Cuervo of La Paz District. RJ Deliena against Richie Galvez Makalalag. Herrera, no good, out of bounds. Same ball. Herrera na agaw. Galvez to Cuervo. Basket by Marvin Cuervo. 5-4 change favor to La Paz District. Deliena to Sampiano, no good. Garcia to Cuervo, 3. No good. Rebound by Deliena to Sampiano, blocked by Garcia. Garcia, that's a traveling violation. Deliena to no good. Pushing foul. AJ Denila to Deliena. AJ, that is a traveling violation.
Ang price to bid lang was
Undefeated. Eribal for 3. 8-4. 4-point lead by La Paz District. RJ Deliena to AJ for 3. No good. Connie Garcia. Blocked by Makalala. Cuervo. Eribal back to back 3 by Eribal. Wala na tres kay Eribal. 11-4. Sarcado to Denila. Sa ilalim, bad pass, same ball. Marvelous stuck up to Halandoni. Basket is good by Halandoni. 6-11. Marvin pinasa kay Richie Galvez. Galvez against Halandoni. Sa ilalim na agaw ni Lenchoco. Lenchoco, there's a foul. Kado to Halandoni. Pinasa kay Taghap. Back to Halandoni. Mercado against Cuervo. There's a foul by Cuervo. Long three, no good. Rebound by Eribal. Pass to Garcia. To Galvez. Richie for two. No good. Block. Alandoni. Steal by Richie Galvez. Pass to Cuervo. No good. There's a foul. Basket. 2 out of 2 by number 23. Lenshoko. Lee. Taghap for 3. No good. Rebound by Garcia. Ribal, no good. Rebound by Halendoni. Steal by Cuervo. Ribal. 3 out of 3 for Ribal. 16-6, 10 ang lamang ng La Paz District. Cercado. Inusot, no good. Rebound by Agaw Taghap. Easy jumper, wala. Cuervo. Basket is good by Marvin Cuervo. Timeout. Molo District. 6:18. Cercado. Bitawan. Nako ni Taghap. To Leon Shoko. There's a foul. Taghap to Lee. Taghap. Lee. Basket from the paint by Paul Lee. 8:18. Ako sa Lem. There's a foul. Ako sa Lem. To no good. Kuha. Three seconds violation. Salem 1. And out. Taghap. Nasa kay Cercado. Sa ilalim Taghap. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Akot Salem. So, One minute 17 seconds remaining. For 3, no good. Out of bounds. Molo basketball. Alandoni to Denila. Alandoni. Alley-oop by number 23, Sampiano. Salem to Guevara. Up to Guevara. Turnover. Sampiano. No good. Okay. Okay. Turnover. Denila to Sampiano. Alley-oop. Wala. Sampiano to Denila. Alandoni. Danila for 3, short. End of the first quarter. Score 10-18 in favor of Molo, La Paz District.
Like,